Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making vegan chilaquiles rojos. You want to start by cutting up your corn tortillas into small strips. We used about 15 tortillas for this recipe, and you warm up your oil to get very hot. We used avocado oil for this recipe. Add a few tortillas at a time. Don't add too many because they're not going to cook evenly. Once they're nice and crispy, you want to take them out and put them in a napkin to absorb some of that oil. It took us about 5 minutes to get them crispy. Now this is the tofu. We diced up some onion, added some Himalayan salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. We crumbled the tofu to small pieces and added that to the onion and the seasoning that was on there. Did forget to record the part where we added a teaspoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast to the tofu to give it that color. Now we're working on the salsa that goes on the chilaquiles with 5 chiles guajillos, a fourth of a cebolla, and 2 garlic cloves. We did add a little bit of Himalayan salt in there. You want to make sure you blend all of these once they have been boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once we put it in the blender, we did add a little bunch of cilantro for extra flavor. You blend it up. Then you want to put it through a strainer to make sure it isn't lumpy. It is just very smooth salsa that's going to be going on your chilaquiles. You add cilantro as much as you want to. You want to pour in your salsa once it has been put through a strainer. Then you are going to be adding cebolla to this. It's all up to you as to how much you want to put in it. We put about a fourth of cebolla, and here is the finished product. What you didn't see here was how we made that ricotta cheese that went on the chilaquiles in place of queso fresco. That was what we used for the lasagna actually. So yeah, we hope you enjoy this recipe. If you try it out, please make sure to tag us on your photos and videos. If you have any questions of the recipe, please put it in the comments down below. As always, we appreciate your support and thank you so much for watching.